Welcome back to Rvluxrypro, where luxury meets the open road. We uncover the newest, boldest, and smartest motorhomes the world has to offer. So sit back, relax, and let's roll into the next big reveal together. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome isn't designed to take you somewhere, it's built to make every mile feel like a private jet experience. You know that feeling when you see something so stunning, so outrageously beautiful, that you actually stop for a second and forget to breathe? Yeah, that's exactly what happened the first time I saw the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, this is a rolling palace. A moving, breathing masterpiece of design and engineering that feels like it was created to redefine what luxury travel actually means. Now, if you've been following the motorhome world for a while, you know Mercedes-Benz and Maybach have both built reputations on absolute perfection. Mercedes for its precision engineering and performance, Maybach for that unshakable aura of prestige and indulgence. But when they decided to merge those worlds into one, to create a motorhome that carries both badges, well, that's when things got really interesting. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome isn't just a step forward from anything we've seen before, it's a quantum leap. I mean, imagine a vehicle that blends the spirit of adventure with the sophistication of a private jet. That's what this thing is. The kind of machine that makes you believe road trips can be red carpet experiences. Let's talk about that design first, because, honestly, that's what will grab you immediately. The first thing that hits you is the sheer elegance of its silhouette. It's massive, but it's sculpted. Smooth curves glide from front to back, almost like it was carved by the wind itself. The new 2026 front fascia, with that unmistakable Maybach grille, has been reimagined with bold vertical chrome bars that shimmer under the light. The iconic Mercedes-Benz star sits proudly in the center, flanked by laser-cut LED headlights that feel more like jewelry than lighting equipment. The designers clearly wanted to create something that doesn't just drive, it arrives. When you pull up somewhere in this, people notice. You could park this outside a five-star resort, and it would still be the most luxurious thing on the property. The two-tone exterior paint, the classic Maybach touch, flows seamlessly, creating a mirror-like effect as it transitions from deep obsidian black to a subtle champagne silver. It's not loud, it's not flashy, it's confident luxury. That quiet kind of power that doesn't need to shout. Even the wheels are a work of art. Massive 24-inch forged alloys with the Maybach emblem floating dead center, so no matter how fast the wheels spin, the logo never moves. Details like that are what remind you, this is not your average motorhome. And then there's the lighting. At night, this thing transforms. The perimeter LED lighting strips subtly illuminate the edges of the vehicle, tracing every curve, while the front logo itself glows with a soft white aura. It's elegant, not showy, more like the kind of gentle ambient lighting you'd expect inside a luxury lounge than on the exterior of a vehicle. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The doors slide open with a gentle hiss, no clunk, no noise, and you're immediately enveloped in an atmosphere that feels more like a penthouse suite than a vehicle interior. Maybach's signature use of Nappa leather, polished wood, and hand-stitched detailing is everywhere. The color palette is pure sophistication, cream, espresso, and brushed gold accents that make everything feel rich without being overwhelming. Even the floor has real wood inlays, yes, real wood, treated to withstand travel wear while keeping that yacht deck elegance. And the seating, oh man, the seating, you don't sit in a Maybach, you sink into it. The front lounge features two fully reclining captain's chairs with heating, cooling, and a new Maybach zero-gravity massage system that automatically adjusts to your spine's position. The armrests glide open to reveal wireless chargers, refrigerated cup holders, and even biometric controls that remember each passenger's preferred temperature, massage intensity, and seat angle. Moving toward the rear, the layout feels expansive. They've managed to make it feel like an actual apartment, a smooth, open-flow concept. The central lounge area converts into an entertainment zone, complete with a retractable 55-inch OLED display that rises silently from a hidden compartment. Integrated surround sound from Burmester creates a true cinematic experience, one of the best sound systems I've ever heard in a moving vehicle. The kitchen area, if you can even call it that, looks like something straight out of a high-end condo. Polished marble countertops, hidden induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator that syncs with your phone and suggests recipes based on what's inside, and an espresso system built into the cabinetry. Everything closes flush and hides away when not in use, so it never loses that minimalist luxury aesthetic. The sleeping area, well, imagine a Maybach version of a master bedroom. The queen-sized bed is made from memory gel foam wrapped in cashmere blend fabric, and above it is a panoramic skylight that opens electronically. You can actually fall asleep watching the stars through glass tinted to automatically adjust to moonlight levels. There's a subtle scent diffuser integrated into the climate control that releases Maybach's custom fragrance, that same scent they use in their S-Class sedans, and yes, it makes a difference. It feels like calm luxury. Now, let's not forget the bathroom, because this, right here, is where Mercedes-Maybach went beyond expectations. Heated marble floors, a rainfall shower with LED lighting that changes with water temperature, a vanity mirror with anti-fog tech and ambient halo lighting. Even the toilet seat is heated. Everything screams perfection. And yet, it's all seamlessly integrated. It doesn't feel overdone. Of course, all this beauty needs to move, and move gracefully. Under the hood, or rather under the body, sits the new Mercedes hybrid V8 powertrain, tuned specifically for the Maybach Motorhome. It pairs a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 with an advanced electric motor setup, delivering a combined output north of 700 horsepower. That might sound excessive for a motorhome, but when you're hauling this much elegance, you want it to glide, not grunt. The hybrid system gives it an all-electric range of around 60 miles, perfect for quiet drives through nature reserves or cities where you don't want to disturb the peace. Then, when you hit the highway, the gas engine and electric motors work in perfect harmony. It's whisper quiet, you don't hear it shift. You just feel a smooth surge of power as it floats forward. Off-road, yes, they thought about that too. This Maybach isn't just for paved luxury lanes. The adaptive 4MODage Plus system combined with adjustable air suspension gives it true all-terrain capability. You can raise the vehicle several inches for rough terrain or lower it automatically for high-speed cruising. Sensors read the road ahead and adjust damping in milliseconds, meaning even gravel feels like glass beneath the wheels. Driving this thing feels like piloting a dream. The panoramic cockpit features dual 15-inch OLED screens seamlessly integrated into the dash, running the next General MBUX system with AI-based learning. It recognizes voice commands more naturally than ever before. You just say, "Hey Mercedes, I'm tired," and the system dims the cabin lights, reclines your seat slightly, and plays a relaxing soundtrack. It's not just responsive, it's intuitive. And then, the Maybach magic extends beyond the driver's seat. Every inch of the cabin is designed to anticipate your needs. There are motion sensors that gently illuminate pathways when you move at night. Windows that tint automatically when the sunlight gets harsh. Even the storage compartments open with a soft touch. No latches, no noise, just effortless motion. Now, let's talk price, because, well, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Early reports suggest the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome will start around $1.6 million, depending on configuration. But here's the thing, this isn't just about money. This is about what that money buys you. Total freedom, wrapped in the kind of elegance usually reserved for the world's top hotels or private jets. Compared to previous Mercedes motorhome models like the Marco Polo or even the previous generation of luxury sprinters, the difference is night and day. Those were impressive, yes, but they still felt like high-end campers. This feels like Maybach finally said, what if we didn't build a camper at all? What if we built a mobile mansion? And that's exactly what they did. Even in comparison to competitors like the Voltner Performance S or the marquee Mobile LM and Palazzo, the Maybach sets itself apart. Those are extravagant, sure, but they often feel like excess for the sake of excess. The Maybach manages to blend sophistication, functionality, and emotional appeal. It doesn't just look rich, it feels right. Now, one of the things I love most about this new model is the sustainability angle. Maybach could have easily ignored that, gone for pure power and opulence, but they didn't. The entire interior uses eco-certified materials, the hybrid system drastically cuts emissions, and the solar panels integrated into the roof actually power the auxiliary systems like lighting, refrigeration, and the entertainment setup. It's luxury that doesn't cost the earth. Mercedes also included something truly futuristic, a self-leveling smart parking system. Basically, you park anywhere, and with the touch of a button, the vehicle automatically levels itself, extends stabilizers, and adjusts the suspension to create a perfectly flat living space. So even if you're camping on a hill, your coffee won't slide off the table. Inside, the smart integration continues. Everything is connected through Maybach's MySuite app, a digital ecosystem that lets you control lighting, blinds, temperature, music, and even the aroma diffuser from your phone or voice commands. It's like having a butler that fits in your pocket. And for those long drives, the autonomous driving features are seriously impressive. Level 3 autonomy allows the vehicle to take over on highways, accelerating, braking, even lane changes, while you relax and enjoy the ride. Imagine sipping an espresso, reclining your seat, and watching the mountains roll by, knowing your Maybach is doing all the hard work. But what really sets this vehicle apart is the emotional experience. When you're inside it, you feel detached from the chaos of the outside world. It's peaceful, elegant, and calming, a sanctuary on wheels. The noise insulation is so advanced you can barely tell when you're moving. It's the kind of place where you can think, breathe, and dream, all while being miles from anywhere. And that's what I think Mercedes-Maybach nailed so perfectly. They understood that luxury isn't just about materials or technology. It's about feeling. It's about the emotion of being cocooned in something extraordinary. This motorhome doesn't just move you physically, it moves you emotionally. I can already picture it, someone taking this across the Swiss Alps, or down the California coast, or maybe parked beside a lake in Norway, the sun setting, soft jazz playing, and the soft glow of the Maybach logo reflecting in the water. You've been watching Rvluxrypro, your front row seat to the world of luxury motorhomes. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive reveals. See you on the next ride.